I've been coming here about almost 2 years now, maybe even a little bit more. But I still come just as consistent as the first time. I try and come twice a week, if not more. I started coming because I was experiencing a lot of pain.
What's going on, Lauren? Digging the lavender, the purple.
Thank you. It's new. Earlier today at the gym, and I had a heavy weight on my back, and all of a sudden this shoulder started shooting pain.
Ooh.
Like it came from the back and shot forward to the front here. Like it felt like a little deep inside.
Yeah.
And it hasn't stopped since.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Should we squat like 400 pounds?
About.
That's your warm up, huh?
Yeah.
Hand up here. Cool. And bring it like that. Elbow lock, thumb towards me. Keep it, the arm right by your head. Awesome. Don't let me separate your arm from your head. What is this too? Yeah. So subclavius. Subclavius.
Yeah, at one point I was having to stop the workout because it was so painful, and I took a little ball against a wall, and I was rolling it by my shoulder blade, and I was actually recreating the pain by rolling it back there.
Does it go down? It just goes straight from here through this way, or does it go down your arm at all?
No, it just goes straight through.
Hold your breath, please. Good. Breathe in, relax. Let's go face down, please. Yeah, arms are such little buggers, especially when you feel that pain that shoots out from the other side. A lot of people will start thinking, "Oh my God, I'm having a heart attack." And they'll go to the emergency room. Yeah, no, I've had patients who literally went to the emergency room and they got a chest X-ray done, and they're like, "There's nothing wrong with you."
Wow, thank God.
Give them some pain medicine, and they come in here. They're like, I think I was having a heart attack.
Coming to the chiropractor often has been honestly the #1 thing that has made my body improve. Outside of everything, I do physical therapy and I do stretching and exercise, but the chiropractic is what really made the big difference. I could feel it myself if I skip a week or two, like my body starts to ache a little bit in certain places, and I've seen a lot of improvement within myself and the x-rays that we take. Like I've seen everything start to normalize out, so I just keep on working until we get it all the way perfect.
Right hand behind the neck. Big breath in and out.
Oh, that was it?
There she was. That little thing. That was it.
Ooh, nice.
To the left, please.
When I just did that, it started shooting pain again, like right in here.
Gotcha. I'm gonna do a little more work there.
It's spicy today.
She is spicy.
Yeah, this is slime or something.
Gotcha. Make this one quick. Okay. That on the back. Big breath in. Stay close.
Ooh.
All right there?
There it is. Yeah.
There she is.
I was doing exercise and all this, but the exercise just sometimes was actually aggravating my headaches, and I would get headaches from exercise, so I knew that something was wrong. And it turns out that it was because of all the factors that I had been ignoring before chiropractic. It started hurting when I did the squat, and then it was just aching throughout the rest of the workout.
Got it.
But my trainer took down a lot of my weight because he could see I was in pain.
Yeah.
I was experiencing headaches and neck pain and shoulder pain, and I really just wanted to get ahead of it because I know that it's you know, it's not just going to get better on itself, so I was going to have to put in the work to really make those changes so that I could live pain-free.
Nice.
I learned that my spine was funky, and I learned new ways to relieve my pain just at home, things I can do at home like traction and laying on lacrosse balls and exercises that I can do, as well as, you know, just normal life stuff like how to not sit in my car, how not to sleep so that my spine isn't twisted all funky for 8 hours and stuff like that.
Repetitive motions, repetitive postures will throw us out of alignment.
Okay.
So like me, my ribs and my upper back will typically come out of alignment. Hunched over tables all day.
Yeah.
Baseball players pitch thousands and thousands of pitches. They obviously typically have shoulder issues. So it's typically from repetitive motions, repetitive postures.
Gotcha. Being healthy and, you know, focusing on my fitness, focusing on my body, listening to my body, allows me to perform at my ultimate level.
If you're still feeling it the next day, do heat and then ice. Heat will bring blood into the area, help hydrate the muscle. Also drink lots of water too. Help hydrate the muscle, but it'll also pull in some inflammation into the area, so that's when you want to ice it to extract some of that inflammation out of the area.
Gotcha.
So I do like, 10 minutes of heat, 15-20 minutes of ice. Do that a couple of times throughout the day. It should start to calm down. All set for today.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Let it chill. You can right now don't mess around with it if it's really, really bothering you. Like, you can mess around a little bit in there. But for the most part, ice.
What is that?
Capsular joint.
Okay.
Yeah. We all got one.
Okay, I'm like feeling around in there.
When you start to feel, you start to
Yeah, I'm
notice
like,
other
what's
things.
going
Like,
on?
what is this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have like a little joint capsule for all our joints.
Okay, so it's nothing crazy.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
I really
Lauren.
appreciate it.
My
seriously.
pleasure.
Making sure that my body's right and everything said is really a crucial part for me to perform at my best.